friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Raman, your IELTS trainer. गाइज़ आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ सैम्पल आंसर शेयर करने जा रही हूँ क्यूकड़ का जिसका टॉपिक है डिस्क्राइब अ पर्सन हु यू हैव मेट एंड वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट। आपको एक ऐसे पर्सन के बारे में बताना है जिससे आप कभी मिले हो और उसके बारे में बहुत कुछ जानना पसंद करते हो। ठीक है। In this cue card, you should say who this person is, when and where you met, what you did or talk about. क्यू कार्ड के सैम्पल आंसर स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपके साथ रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ भी आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स और मोर सैम्पल आंसर दूसरे न्यू क्यू कार्ड के आपको मिलते रहें। विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स बिगिन विद द लेक्चर। Thanks a lot for giving me such an interesting topic to speak on. Well, undoubtedly, most of the individuals love traveling and I'm one of them. But here I would like to talk about a person whom I met and want to know more about him or her. I am going to talk about a person whom I have recently met at a local English club. His name is Dave and he is about the same age as me. I mean, most people would agree that he looks quite young for his age. I think it's mainly due to his healthy hairstyle. Davi has recently completed his postgraduate degree at Melbourne University in Australia and he is currently looking for a job in India. Well, he told me that he would like to become an IELTS teacher despite the fact that he holds an MBA degree. I guess teaching English has always been one of his passion. I have to say that I do not know him really well because we only had a few brief conversations at the local English club. But he seemed like a fascinating person that I would like to get to know better in the future. Anyway, when it comes to his personality, honestly, as I have said earlier, we have only had a few brief conversations, so I do not know him really well. However, I would guess that he is a very friendly and approachable individual. In fact, he actually made an effort to break the ice because I was just too shy to strike up a conversation. Well, in terms of core reasons why I think we could get along quite well, firstly, we are both passionate about English. Actually, he had just scored a band 8 in his IELTS test, and it would be great if he could give me all the advice that I need to be at the same level. Secondly, I am also planning to study abroad in Australia, so he would be the ideal person to lead me in the right direction to enroll into the right course, get a part-time job and so on. Eventually, he is the person with whom I met recently and want to know more about his lifestyle if it would be possible for me. Lastly, he is the only person whom I met and want to know more about.